What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video here on this Craftsman Mach series ratchet set. Picked it up on eBay for 35 bucks. I remember when these came out they were about double or triple, but now since Craftsman is dying, you're able to pick these up pretty cheap. And I just bought it for the ratchet to add to my collection of roto heads. As you can see, the design here is exactly like Snap-on's roto head, but this is plastic and Snap-on's is metal. Overall, it has a lot of plastic and rubber in this ratchet. For the price, can't go wrong. I mean, you get 3/8 sockets, 1/4-inch sockets, a reducer, and even a hex 3/8 adapter. So yeah, for 35 bucks, can't go wrong. And I'll take this out of the way. This is a ratchet here. Again, roto head, and this one is fairly tight in there. It's really tight, so I prefer that as opposed to a loose ratchet. It has a collar so you can spin it screwdriver style. And a very interesting thing with this ratchet, something that makes it sort of gimmicky but at the same time cool, is this function here. Let's see if I can get it one-handed. There we go. So it extends for more leverage, and you can lock that. You can lock that, but apparently it's not broken in yet. There we go. So it's just a longer ratchet, longer screwdriver, better reach. And if you were to set it to the screwdriver function, this becomes one of those push to drive screwdrivers. So I think maybe for a mechanic it will not be as appealing, but if you do commercial work where you're fastening nuts and bolts all the time, this will work. Probably this function won't be as good for the nylock washer, nylock nuts, but it's pretty cool. It's a pretty novelty item. So you hold this little thing and you tighten like that. Pretty cool ratchet. Bought it for the collection. Probably won't be using it because I'm sure it'll go up in value as old Craftsman stuff becomes more rare and rare, hopefully. Right now they're pretty cheap, but maybe 15-20 years from now this thing will be worth something to someone. At least to me. I like collecting roto heads and all sorts of other tools. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Nice ratchet here. You guys could still pick one up on eBay. And thanks for watching.